Hi, everyone, and welcome to Tiny Tech Tips. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use conditional formatting for multiple areas in a Google Sheet. So first things first, open up a Google Sheet and follow along with me. All right, once you have your Google Sheet open, you'll see I created one that was pretty basic, just has some random student names that AI helped me generate, as well as the discussion. It's got some different things that could be here, somewhat like a pseudo gradebook or some sort of tracking system that you have. So let's say that we wanted to maybe highlight, especially in the homework assignments, when a student isn't doing well in those homework assignments, right? And this could be used for a lot of different things. It doesn't have to be homework, it could be you tracking any kind of data in your sheet. But in this case, let's say we go to conditional formatting. I'm going to choose these cells that we have here, and I'm going to say, let's see, less than 70 is what I want to see highlighted, and we'll highlight that in orange, let's say. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, like, okay, well, what about the rest of the assignments? Well, you could select the whole area, but let's say that you wanted to get colorful in this and you wanted just the homeworks to be the ones that are highlighted. Well, all I would have to do is edit this rule. And if you click this select data range, it'll allow you to pull another data range. Now, I can always move this box out of the way. So if you ever feel like that's a pop-up that's in your way, you can move it. So let's say I want to have my homework 2, but I also see that I have homework 3 that I would like this in and homework 4. And I don't need anything else other than the homework 4. So we're going to hit OK. And now when I come back to my spreadsheet, you're going to see that all the homeworks are highlighted. Now, obviously, nothing in homework 2 is going to be highlighted since all of these scores are above a 70. So obviously, this will change depending on whatever marker you place this on. So you can do this with each one of them. Now, this is with data, right? So you could do this with numbers, you could do it in between, you can set up all the different conditional formattings that we have. But what happens if you, say, inherit a spreadsheet and there's this really cool, maybe status piece that you want to keep, but you want it to then go to all the other areas? You could copy paste. That's an option. Or you can do the exact same thing that we just did. You would go looking at these drop downs that you have here. Now, you might think that you want to go straight to conditional formatting. In this case, you actually want to work with your data validation. And I know that that doesn't seem very intuitive, but with drop downs, they seem to keep them under data validation instead of conditional formatting. So in this, I already have one set up. I can do the exact same thing, go to select data range, and I can add another range to this. So I can look at my spreadsheet and let's say I want to add it here. And I'd also like to add it here. So now each one of those drop downs are ready to go. Hopefully you found this tiny tech tip helpful in being able to use multiple areas in a Google Sheet.